Hey, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to update your Materia theme to the latest version. It's super simple and it only takes a few minutes. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and find the theme you are currently using. Click the three dots next to it and click on download the theme file. Shopify will send you an email with a download link in just a few seconds. Open that email, download the zip file, and keep it there because you'll need it for the next step. Now go to materiadashboard.com, you'll find the link on our website or right in the description of this video. Once you're logged in, go to Theme Updates, and you'll see the section where you can drag and drop the zip file you just downloaded, or click it and upload it manually. Both work the same. After you upload it, click Update, give it a few seconds, and once it's ready, you'll see a button to download the updated version of the theme. Click it and save the file. Now go back to your Shopify admin, click Import Theme, upload zip file, and all you have to do is select the updated theme you just downloaded. Once Shopify finishes uploading it, click Publish, and that's it. Your store is now running the latest version of Materia. We usually release new updates every 1 to 2 months. Most updates include bug fixes, new sections, more features, and you'll always get an email when a new update drops so you never miss anything. If you ever get stuck or something doesn't look right, just reach out to our support team because we answer pretty fast. And if you want to keep learning, check the next videos where I cover theme installation, activation, customizing your pages, and a bunch of other useful stuff. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.